Hello family, welcome back to the channel, home of the RC community and home of the Patreon that offers the most value out there. Okay, if you're interested in the Patreon, links will be in the description and in the comments, as well as the merch. Okay, and speaking of Patreon, if you're interested in joining the pre-sale that launches in a day, all right, you still have time. Okay, so the links will be in the description and in the comments for that. All right, so look, I've been making a lot of videos, and I wanted to touch on Luna. Okay, I know that individuals are wondering, what do I think about the whole Luna and the V2 situation? Do I think that it will help Luna? Okay, and I want to say this right here: the mistake that a lot of individuals are making, okay, is they're lumping Luna in with, a main project. Luna is not a main project. Luna is not a damn degen project, okay? You got a lot of the critics out here calling it a degen product. Luna is not a damn degen, okay? That's the problem with a lot of the uneducated individuals out there. They don't know the difference between a meme coin and a non-meme coin. This is why a lot of individuals can't get things right on their videos. Okay, so Luna to me falls into a non-main project. Okay, Luna has been around for a hot minute. Okay, you have to understand this. When it comes to the V2, okay, the V2 is kind of going to sweep out a lot of these main projects out here. When it comes to Luna, okay, we have to look at Luna. It's not like Luna, okay, it is just getting into this space with a bunch of zeros. Okay, Luna has already seen its success in highs. We've seen Luna as high as $119, I believe. Okay, when we're talking about the V2, when we're talking about V2, all right, and I understand a little bit of why they may want to get back into the V2, okay, because of the losses that they've had so far. But when we talk about will V2 help, V2 may help, okay, to a certain extent. Will V2 make Luna as successful? Okay, will it make Luna as successful as they were before? That depends on the community. It depends on the community, because the community drive these projects. You know, it's community project. All right, and the issue that I'm having with a lot of the community, the Luna community, is that they're already complaining about a V2 situation. Okay, you have some individuals out there saying they should not go V2. Okay, you have individuals out there talking about, you know, if it goes to V2, that they're not going to invest in it as much as they would invest in it now on, you know, the current contract. You know, and there's something to be said about that. Okay, because the thing is this. You see a lot of individuals doing these crazy buys, okay, and the V2 may be on the way. Okay, that's why you see a lot of individuals doing these crazy buys. They want to try to flip as much as they can, okay, before Luna goes V2. Because if Luna goes V2, we're talking about, I think it may be, they may have less than 2 zeros. They may have 1 zero, okay, or it might start out pumping over $1. Who knows? But the thing is this: if it goes to V2, yes, you're going to lose some of your your tokens. Okay, and individuals know that. That is why they are. That is why they're doing these crazy buys right now, because they obviously believe that you're getting more benefit, okay, with Luna now than if they would a V2. If they win a V2, do I think that they can reach $100 again? The thing is this: I don't think that look, and it remains to be seen, but in my opinion, I don't think the confidence will be there for this project if they went a V2. Okay, because number one, you're going to have a lot of disgruntled individuals out there who are already mad that they've lost tokens. They're already going to feel that it's too expensive to buy. Okay, and I'm just giving you guys a basic view on all of this stuff. Look, if you really care about the Luna project, you would invest in it either way. Okay, of course, you invest what you can, afford to invest in all of that stuff. But the level of confidence that individuals are having with these buying, with these buying opportunities now, have the same level of confidence if it goes to V2. Okay, have that same level of confidence. All right, and the thing is this: I believe if it goes V2, well, of course, pending, what's going on with the developers, because a lot remains to be seen with that, and I don't want to get into no speculation, because look, everything that everybody is making, the videos that everybody is making on Luna, it's still speculation. Okay, we're talking about the whole tax situation, and they're trying to say, he's not paying his taxes, and he's going to get locked up and all of this stuff. If you look at those videos, those are just their opinions. Okay, the guy already done said, and not that you can really take his word for anything, but he already done said that he was good on the tax situation. Like I said, it remains to be seen. But when you look at everybody else's videos, okay, it's just speculation. All right, it's just opinions. It's just things that individuals are making up for a lot of the views. Of course, you're going to put that craziness on it, because that a lot of the Terra Luna audience is going to tune into it. But a lot of things remain to be seen, and depending on it's all about the community. Okay, it's all about the community. If they go V2, the community has to stay on the up and up with this project. They have to. Okay, you can't lose confidence and say that I don't want to invest because now it's too expensive, or it's not worth it because it doesn't have a bunch of zeros, or they took my tokens and all that. And I always tell individuals, I got to get out of that habit of wanting everything to be multiple zeros. Everything does not have to be multiple zeros. Okay, I said that just being in this space early and investing, okay, is a start for anybody. It does not matter about the multiple zeros. If we had no projects with multiple zeros, you should still be enthusiastic about investing, because we're early. Okay, Terra Luna is still early. Okay, they've only been out for a short. They've been out for a hot minute, but it's still in crypto years. It's still a short time. All right, and you have to understand this. This is nothing compared to where the price of crypto is going to be 10, 20 years from now. Imagine how early you are. Okay, so don't look at it. Look, if you look at Terra Luna in the now, okay, with the V2 situation, okay, as well as any other cryptos out there, if these cryptos hold their own, you're going to miss out. You're going to miss out. All right, and the thing is, with V2, a lot of these projects are going to have the opportunity to get to $50, $100. You know what I'm saying? Down the road, maybe more than that. 100, like what? Like I know projects like Monero, they've reached like as high as I think 200 to the 500 range and all of that. That's going to be the potential of a lot of these projects. So don't look at the now. Okay, you gotta look. You gotta think about the future and invest in the future. All right. So I think the V2 will be good. Okay, I can look past losing tokens. All right, because once again, it's a long-term project. I mean, look, the thing is, you can't get nothing now, but flip, some coins here and there, flip some tokens here and there. All right, so I mean, I like it as a long-term play. I don't have a problem with the V2. All right, and I just wanted to touch on this. I have been paying attention, though. I've been focused on Saitama a lot, but I have been paying attention. But I just want to tell individuals out there, hey, Luna is still a decent project, and cherish the V2 if it comes about. Okay. So this is my video, and I will catch you all on the up and up.